every time you need me. Keep the memories in your heart. Let the hours pass us by.